How to fix Steam not sending verification code. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If Steam isn't sending you a verification code, you want to first check your spam and junk folder. Sometimes Steam emails can end up in spam or junk folders. You can also search for Steam support in your email inbox to find the email from Steam. Next thing you want to do is ensure email is correct. For that, head over to Steam's official website and log into your account. Here, you want to head over to account details and check if your registered email is correct. You can also change your email if you no longer have access to your current email. Now, the next thing you can do is wait for a few minutes. Email delays can occur due to server congestion. You want to wait for 10 to 15 minutes and request the code again. You also want to check your internet connection. If you're using any VPN or proxy, make sure to disable it and try again. Steam may block requests from certain regions or masked IPs. If nothing else works, you want to contact the Steam support and report this issue. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.